the Vice President of Nigeria, Osinbajo, has come out to analyze Burna Boy's single Last Last.
He don't pass, last, everybody go chop breakfast. So you will chop breakfast too. Now in Pidgin English, now this man sang this song in Pidgin English to a Scandinavian audience of 70,000 people, and they enjoyed it. They didn't even know what it meant. What does it mean to say, don't pass, last, everybody go chop breakfast? But of course there is wisdom in it if you choose to find out. It means that at the end, we're all going to matter, we're all going to succeed. At the end, last, at the end, we will all chop breakfast. All of us, whether we are chopping breakfast now or not, one day, you too will chop breakfast. That song is also the first Afrobeat song to have sold over 500,000 units in the first 17 weeks of its release. First 17 weeks, it sold over 500,000 units and is now been certified for gold in the USA. So this is a great